Ciao guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Marco Grezzani here from Brisbane, Australia. And today I want to talk about this little baby here. It's the air cut filter from my Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K. I don't know if it's already happening to you, so I'm doing this video because probably it could be very helpful. This filter, it got damaged. But not by me, because I don't care about my camera, and that's what made me a little bit upset. But I discovered and Google it that other people, has the same problem. Actually, this filter is gonna ruin himself if you live in a country with a high percentage of humidity. So literally, humidity can ruin this filter. Probably because, I don't know, maybe it's built with a little bit cheap material from Blackmagic. I really love the cameras. I already have one, the 4K, and actually these things happened to me already a few years ago. So anyway, the cameras are beautiful, I really love it, but this is something that made me really upset. Anyway, I found a company. Let me tell you, this video is not sponsored by that company. It's called RAWLITE. It's from Europe. They produce this filter from the 4K, 6K, from the Ursa, and it works pretty well. High quality material. They are expensive, I know, but they do their job. So this video, guys, is not to promote the companies, even if I love their products, but it's just to show you a quick tutorial how to change this filter in case this happened to you as well. Don't get in panic. It's pretty easy, and the RAWLITE give you as well the tools that you needed. So watch the video until the end. If you have any question, leave me a comment below, and I really hope to see you in the next one. Ciao!